Hey guys, Smalls and Talls here. We are at Max Patch in Pisgah National Forest here in North Carolina.
Let's hit the trail.
Oh man, this is gorgeous. Alright guys, the top is right here above us. We are almost there. This is our first overlook here. This is unbelievable. We should get 360-degree views once we get to the top. Alright guys, let's keep hiking. It's funny, when we started hiking, Tall said he was tired, this trail was kicking his butt, so to recover he decided to run up the mountain. Alright guys, we have made it here to the top. We are on the AT. And this is our view. 360-degree views. And this is unbelievable. Hey Talls, what do you think of this place?
I love it.
Yeah? This is probably one of the most beautiful views we've ever seen, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
You guys, right down there, you can see where we've parked. It's way down there at the bottom. This is so gorgeous. Can't get over it.
Hey guys, we are on the top of Max Patch.
Hey guys, as you can see here behind us, up here in the clouds, is the highest point east of the Mississippi. That's Mount Mitchell.
There's the first bird to hike the Appalachian Trail. And he fell.
Alright guys, we are heading back down to the car here at Max Patch. If you have never been here, come here. The trail coming up is very easy. The road in is gravel, but it's not that bad. There's every kind of vehicle you could imagine here. We're parked behind a Mercedes, so it's very well maintained. But this place is unbelievably gorgeous. If you can get up here on a crystal clear day, you can see just about forever. We're gonna get to the car. We're gonna head on to another destination. Not exactly sure where, but we're thinking about going to Mount Mitchell. We might go up to Clingman's Dome or Mount LeConte, something like that. We are staying overnight and be doing a little more hiking tomorrow.
Hey guys, we made it back to the car. Definitely come out here and hike. It is an amazing place. I was telling Smalls, I didn't really want to do this, but I'm glad that I chose to. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. S&T. Peace out.